Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Cook with Carrie channel, and today I am going back to my roots. I'm going to do a dish that is from Nigeria. So I'm going to do jollof rice today, and I'm just gonna walk you through the ingredients. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. So these are all the ingredients that I'll be using to make my tomato base. So I have tomatoes, bell peppers, onion, garlic, and thyme. I'll go ahead and dice all the ingredients and then roast them in the oven for 30 minutes. 1 whole scotch bonnet pepper. I'm just going to cut it and remove some of the seeds. The seeds are the hot part of the pepper, so we're just going to roast the garlic as is. We're gonna roast the garlic like this. So this is what's going on. So this is all the tomatoes and peppers and onion. I'm gonna add some olive oil over top, and then we're just going to roast for 30 minutes at 350. Okay, so I have chicken that are pre-seasoned and it was in the fridge overnight, so it's well marinated, and I'm going to use some of this chicken to make my chicken broth to add to the jollof rice. So just add a little bit of oil to your pot to make your chicken stock. Don't want a lot of oil because it's mainly to make the stock. We have chopped onions, ginger, some garlic. Chicken stock has been coming down nice in its own juice, so I'm going to add some water. Cups of water to your chicken stock, and I'm going to let that cook for about 15 minutes. Over the pot, medium heat, 15 minutes. Okay, so this is our tomato base from earlier that we've been roasting in the oven for 30 minutes. So now I'm going to blend it in my blender to make a smooth paste. We have been cooking our sauce for 40 minutes. I am going to turn my flame off. So this is slow cooking at low heat. So earlier we made our chicken stock, and what we did was use our chicken bones or chicken back to make that. So I use my chicken back to make my chicken stock. Okay, we're gonna saute some onions, so we'll just use a little oil, and then we're going to saute the onions for about 3 to 5 minutes. And can of tomato paste that I'm going to fry. We fry the tomato paste. We have been cooking our tomato paste, frying it in oil for 15 minutes, and I'm going to add seasoning to this. So let's add some seasoning. So let's do curry powder. So that's 1 teaspoon of curry powder. I'm gonna do salt to it, so 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm gonna add, don't have any bay leaves, I'm gonna add a little bit of cayenne pepper. Just add a little bit of my stock to that. Incorporate the seasoning into that curd, into that base. Tomato paste. Coming nicely together. I have 2 cups of the chicken stock that I made earlier, so I'm just gonna add that too. Alright, and then that's it. Right now, add 1 cup of water to your base. Alright, so, and let it simmer while I get the rice ready. I measured 4 cups of basmati rice. I'm just going to wash that until it runs clear, and then I'll add that to my base. Time to add our rice, so we'll wash it. Basmati rice, 4 cups, and we're just going to add that to our base. Stir that in well, so that all the rice grain gets coated in this lovely. One more cup of water. So this is the thing. You have to use parchment paper or foil paper. Cover the pot with it. And then you're going to use that. So what this does is trap the steam, and then it cooks it low heat, trap the steam in there, and you will get your perfect jollof rice in 30 minutes.